Chapter 12, Cyber Safety. Internet has become a vital part of our life. Social networking, online shopping, storing data, gaming, every possible thing we can think can be done through the medium of internet. Data and information can be shared across the globe instantly. There is almost no limit to what we can do online. Unfortunately, the internet is also home to certain risks such as malware, spam, and phishing. Due to its global reach and accessibility, it has become the hotspot for one of the most dangerous forms of crime, that is cybercrime. The fact is that everything is online and opens us to these frauds and makes us victims unless we have taken the necessary steps to protect our computer. Cybercrime can be divided into three main categories: crime against an individual person like cyberbullying, cyberstalking, etc. Crime against property like identity theft, phishing, etc. Crime against an organization or society like cyber-terrorism, transmitting virus, hacking, etc. Importance of cyber safety. Cyberspace, that is internet, work environment, intranet, is becoming a dangerous place for all organizations and individuals to protect their sensitive data or reputation. This is because of the numerous people and machines accessing it. To prevent the loss or misuse of your information, you need to keep your personal, financial information and online data safe. This is cyber safety. Cyber safety is a fundamental practice required for everyone who keeps and accesses private information through a computer or the internet. With the growing volume and sophistication of cyber attacks, it is very important to protect the sensitive business and personal information as well as safeguard the national security and personal data. Measures for cyber safety. Antivirus. An antivirus is a computer program that is designed to identify, prevent, detect, and remove computer viruses and other malicious software. It performs the following tasks in a computer. It scans specific files or directories for any malware or known malicious patterns. It scans incoming emails which might contain virus in the attachment. It allows the scheduled scans to automatically run. It allows scan of a particular file or the entire computer of a CD or flash drive at any time. It removes any malicious code. Some of the popular antivirus softwares are McAfee, AVG, Quick Heal, Avast, Norton Antivirus. Firewalls. A firewall is a security system that typically sits between you as a computer user and the internet. It monitors and controls traffic to and from the internet based on a set of security rules. In this way, it protects the computer system by preventing the unauthorized users from gaining access to it. It lets in the good files and keeps out the bad. Firewalls can be implemented as both hardware and software or a combination of both. Encryption software. Encryption is the process of changing information in such a way as to make it unreadable by unauthorized users. It is important because it allows you to securely protect data that you do not want anyone else to have access to. Encryption software is a type of security program that enables encryption and decryption of data. It is used to translate plain text data into something that appears to be random and meaningless, which is known as the ciphertext. To read an encrypted message, it has to be decrypted with the same software on the receiver's side. Decryption is the process of converting ciphertext back to plain text. Some of the popular encryption softwares are GNU, BitLocker, VeraCrypt. Password protection. A password is a word or string of characters that a user is supposed to enter to gain access to the computer or any of his personal accounts. It helps ensure that the computer or data can only be accessed by those who have been granted the right to view or access them. To protect data and information, strong passwords should be used. Here are some of the tips for strong and secure passwords. Include numbers, capital letters, and symbols. Do not fall for phishing attacks. Change your passwords regularly. Do not save passwords. Log out. Remember to log out every time after accessing your shopping and banking account. Identity theft protection. Identity theft refers to the act of stealing and misusing someone's personal information. Identity thieves usually obtain personal information such as passwords, ID numbers, credit card numbers, etc., and misuse them to act fraudulently in the victim's name. These sensitive details can be used for various illegal purposes, including applying for loans, making online purchases, or accessing victims' financial data. How to protect yourself from identity theft? Secure your connection. If possible, avoid public Wi-Fi with no password protection. Keep your devices secure. Maintain good password hygiene. Create strong passwords that are long, hard to guess, and unique. Never reuse any password for multiple accounts. Monitor your bank and credit accounts. Be careful with sensitive data. When selling or disposing of old smartphones, tablets, or laptops, make sure you have deleted all the sensitive data stored in it. Cyber safety for kids. The internet is an increasing part of today's culture, especially for children and youth, for whom schoolwork, online gaming, and social networking are among the most popular activities. The internet can be wonderful for kids. They can use it to research school reports, communicate with teachers and other kids, and play interactive games. As school-age children are starting to be independent online and might go online unsupervised, there are more internet safety risks for them than there are for younger children, like inappropriate content, cyberbullying, and online predators. The parents should be aware of what their kids see and hear on the internet, who they meet, and what they share about themselves. Cyber safety rules for kids. Cyber safety rules are the guidelines that enable users to be responsible towards themselves as well as others. Basic guidelines for cyber safety for kids. Safe. Keep safe by being careful not to give out personal information such as full name, email address, phone number, etc. while using the internet. Meet. Do not meet up online friends in absence of an adult family member. Accepting. Do not accept email, pictures, and messages from people you do not know or trust. They may contain virus or spam messages. Reliable. Check for reliability. Information you find on internet may not be correct always. Make sure you check the information with other resources, that is books, websites, etc., before you believe it. Tell. Tell your teacher or an adult family member if you or someone you know is uncomfortable about an online communication. Polite. Be polite. Refrain from making strong statements and personal comments. Link. Think before you link. Be careful about who you accept as friends online. Responsible. You are responsible for your online reputation. Everything that is posted online is available for public view and can easily be tracked. Share selectively. Keep your profile closed. Be selective about who you allow to write on your wall. Cyber ethics and cyber law. Cyber ethics refer to a set of moral rules or a code of behavior that is to be followed being online. Cyber law is the law which prevents or reduces large-scale cyber criminal activities by misuse of the computer. To differentiate between the two, cyber ethics is a guideline to the computer users. Cyber laws are rules or laws to control computer users. Cyber ethics is universal, can be applied anywhere, all over the world. Cyber law depends on the country and state where all the crime is being committed. It is immoral if cyber ethics are not followed. It is a crime if cyber laws are not followed.